Notes future not showing. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So I'm gonna show you three ways. The first way is you have to update Instagram, and that's the very important way. You have to go to the App Store or Play Store and search for it, then click on updates. That's for the first way. The second way is you have to uninstall Instagram from your phone and then reinstall it. And the last way is when you don't get any solution, even if you try to update or uninstall Instagram, that only means that this option of the notes is not available on your country yet. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. See you later. Thank you very much.